like to know what noise pollution is?
Yes, I do.
Okay. Noise pollution is an annoying sound caused by construction workers, airplanes, automobiles, and other things like that, which they call the health effects.
Yes, I do.
The health effects are coronary heart disease, hearing loss, sleep deprivation, and the loss of productivity. And each year in Europe, there's about 210,000 deaths from it. How does that make you feel?
That's horrible.
Is that it?
Yes.
That's it? Okay. Do you want to know how you can help prevent those?
I would love to.
Okay, so if there's a sound that's annoying you, you can just put in earbuds and just forget about it. Or if it's an ongoing thing each day, then you can just move. How do you feel about moving?
I will.
Oh, well, there you have it. Thanks.
Go ahead.
Do you know what noise pollution is?
Yes.
Okay. Do you have any definition of it?
No.
Okay. So it's annoying sounds caused by construction workers, airplanes, automobiles, and stuff like that. And do you know how it affects the plants and trees around?
No, explain it to me.
Okay. So the plants and the trees, the birds that distribute their pollen, they're leaving to avoid noise pollution. So therefore, the plants and the trees, their pollen isn't getting dispersed everywhere, and their population is decreasing, causing the animals' environments, like the animals that live near plants and trees, their population decreases also. How does that make you feel?
Not good.
Is there anything you can do to prevent that? You know, like think of.
Try and do less pollution and less noise with vehicles and other equipment.
Yes.
So I'm not asking you to leave the store, please? Alright, yeah.
No, please. We're doing something for our school project. How would you like to know more about noise pollution, sir?
Noise pollution? Thanks, that.
Oh, well, some things about noise pollution is that it's really bad, okay? That's the first thing we gotta let you know, is that it's something that is not okay. It's harmful to the environment, and there are annoying noises caused by construction workers, airplanes, industry, all that jazz. Another thing is some of the health effects that come from it is sleep deprivation. Hey, sir, I'm gonna need you to pay attention. All right. So sleep deprivation is one of them. There's also 210,000 deaths in Earth each year that are caused by noise pollution. How does that make you feel?
That's unfortunate.
That is. How would you like to know how you can help prevent noise pollution?
How can I prevent noise pollution?
So something that you can do to help. Hey, excuse me, sir. I'm talking. So
I'm
something
working.
you can do is you can put earbuds in. You can put earbuds in,
Earbuds? Alright.
and if it gets really annoying, you can just pack up and move.
Pack up and move.
Yes.
I'm staying here.
All right. So we'll have fun with your noise pollution, sir, and thank you for being part of our video.
Hey, you're welcome. Have a nice day.
You too.
Yeah.
So to wrap it up, noise pollution can be very harmful to the environment. It causes decreasing in the populations for the plants and animals, and it's very harmful to the wildlife.
I know we just listed a bunch of facts about noise pollution, but I hope this parody video we created will help clear things up.
I wake up in the morning, I hear noise to my right, to the left I hear some more. The puppy won't stop barking, and my sister bangs the door. The lawnmower sounds like the car that's passing by. Couldn't keep it in, heaven knows I tried. Don't let noise in, keep it all out, otherwise it will harm society. Conceal, don't feel, don't let them know. All hope is lost. Noise is bad, noise is bad. There's nowhere to run or hide. Noise is bad, noise is bad. From the valley to the sky, I can't sleep with all these fireworks that they shoot at night when they go camping on the 4th of July. It's funny how some distance makes everything quiet, when the sound that once surrounded me can't get to me at all. It's time to see what I can do. I think I might just pack and move. No sound, no noise, no pain for me. I'm free. Noise is bad, noise is bad. There's nowhere to run or hide. Noise is bad, noise is bad. From the valley to the sky, I can't sleep with all these fireworks. I no longer have high blood pressure, hearing loss, no sleep disruption or the loss of all productivity. 210,000 deaths in Europe each year. I'm never going back. The past is in the past. Noise is bad, noise is bad. There's nowhere to run or hide. Noise is bad, noise is bad. From the valley to the sky, I can't sleep with all these fireworks that they shoot at night when they go camping on the 4th of July.